Hello, Weekend Wedding Singer. I'm going to teach you how to crack your back and your tailbone at the same time. It's a simple process, but it's kind of weird and awkward. It involves with the butt cheek. You have to grab it, push it, pull it, tug it for the crack. So just let me show you how it's done. Let's get to it. First of all, you tighten your butt cheeks, pelvic forward, lean back. Grab your butt cheek right here, and then you push. At the same time, you grab your waist and pull. So push and pull. If you're having a hard time grabbing your waist, you can also grab the belt loop for the pull. So let's get to this. Tight butt cheek, pelvic forward, lean back, push and pull. 1, 2, 3. Same for the other side. Tighten your butt cheek, pelvic forward, lean back, grab your butt cheek right here, and then the belt loop or the waist for the pull, push and pull. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, please consult your doctor, physician, chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.